I'm going to show you how to use this Harbor Freight Tarp Grommet repair kit in 3 easy steps. If you stick around, I'll also review each of the kit pieces and how I think they fared during our tarp repair process.
So first thing I did was I cut this with a torch. That way the ends were melted, and that's going to prevent it from unraveling. This is going to be our corner piece. We're going to get our strike plate, set that down. Then we'll get our hole punch. Place it right there, and then we're just going to tap. Getting there. I'm going to get another piece of backing. I gave up on my strike plate. Just wasn't doing it for me. Center our punch. Tap through all of our layers. Get our grommet. This goes pretty fast once you do a couple. And find our anvil. Grab a washer. Then give her a tap, tap, tap. Boom, there you go. Double check. Make sure we're good. Love it. So we've got our anvil right here, and our anvil and our grommet pair together. So you've got your grommet that lays in round side. So we'll stick that up through the hole we just made. And here's our washer. This is the grippy side right here. And then there's a little recess, and that's where when you hammer this in, the grommet will fold back into that and secure it in place. Lots of technical terms here. So we have our washer lined up with our grommet. Our anvil is down below on our block. Here's our punch. Let her rip. And then there you go. You can see it's folded it back into that recess. And now our grommet is secure.
If you stuck around this long, then you're ready for the review. So let's talk about our washers and grommets first. These are just what I would consider standard duty. If you notice, I've got like a lifetime supply in here. For stagnant applications, these do just fine. My next review piece is the anvil and the punch that goes with it. These received little to no damage in my tarp repair process. And so considering it's a Harbor Freight kit, these have held up really, really well. And for my last review piece, the punch. So this was the biggest surprise out of all of the equipment that came in the kit. I figured this punch would be already dull from the factory, but not only was it sharp, it retained its sharpness through the whole project. I say that with a caveat. The strike plate I gave up on. I completely threw it away, and I used a block of wood instead. So as long as you're using a soft material as a backstop, you shouldn't have too much trouble with this punch. If you have had experience with the Harbor Freight Tarp kit, please let me know in the comments below. And what was your story like? Did you have the same success I did, or was your experience a complete disaster? I want to hear about it. Thanks for watching.